Hello guys, today we are playing some Tutorial IO, and I'm going to show my face in a second. I'm turning on my lights to my room. And so, if you like my videos, remember to subscribe. We're playing Tutorial IOs today. So we're about to hit 200 subscribers, so let's start getting into the video. Okay, so we're getting in right now. Hello, it's me in the corner. And I'm going to spawn right here. Spawn. Oh, come on. Why do people always have to spawn near? Oh, this is a small map. Okay, guys. So, let's continue. Go over here to get some of these people. And we go over here. I'm going to turn the face thing off because half the time you can't see it. So, yeah. Okay, so as we continue to get bigger, let's talk about our sponsor today, which is Raid Shadow. Never, just kidding. We don't have a sponsor. But, yeah, like I'm saying, remember to subscribe, because we are 5 subscribers away from 200. So, yeah, if you're not already, subscribe. And so, let's get back to the game. So, my name is sub to Mr. Among, because, we should. And I'm pretty big right now, but I don't know if the guy's a faker or not. I don't know. Is that guy a bot? Yeah, no, he's not. I'm gonna die now. I shouldn't have attacked him. He was the biggest person. Yay, I'm dead now. I get the little nope. I hate how it automatically makes you surrender. Oh no, an ad. Okay, we're back, and we're gonna look for a map. And we're gonna play some of this. Oh, no, this. There we go. Okay, let's go. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Spawn right here. Because there's no one else in this whole... Oh. Ew. Holy Roman Empire. Okay, so... let's go. Huh. Okay, so just get up my materials for a second. And then, yeah. So I'll pause it when I get a little bigger. Okay, I'm back at a little bigger now. And there's no real players near me besides that guy. He's the HRE. But yeah, right now there's really no real players near me. So let's capture. Speed run. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got teammates. I can't just declare war on anyone. Okay, so continuing to push up. We almost captured all of the coastline. Oh, this guy's he's a bot, but let's just get him. Okay, so I easily got him. I am 7th place right now. Biggest guy is on red, which I'm gonna attack some of their members because we don't want them to get too big. Oh my! Since when did this guy get here? I'm gonna make an alliance with him and him because I don't want him to die immediately. No one agreed. Okay, I am a dead country. I am a dead... Ooh, beside that guy. And how much do I have? Yeah, I'm gonna die. If he declares war on me, I am dead. Yep, he's gonna. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Oh, he didn't. I want to be allies, but he's not agreeing. I don't know if... Wait, I'm gonna ask this guy to attack this guy. Oh, no, he joined. Okay, I'm gonna work on... Oh. Why is everyone around me so big? Some people up here. Yeah, I aim both of their next targets. I can already see it. Why is everyone attacking me from right here? You're a small nation. You're not gonna do anything. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Oh, that guy's dead. No, yeah, I'll save him. There we go. Okay. Ha ha ha. Oh no 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 no! I'm dead. I'm dead. I am a dead man. What? Oh my God! Why no? Why? Why would you go? No. Okay, at least I could get a boat over here. Did it sink with 100,000 soldiers on it? Yeah, I did. Get him, get him, get him, get these guys real quick, 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 quick. Come on. Let's Wait, huh? Okay, guys, I think that's enough for today. So remember to subscribe. We're 5 subscribers away from 200. That's our goal. And after that, it's 300 and so on. So yeah, remember to subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.